Menteri Katanal Kakoi Kakhia Jong Kejela ujiam ske sangma ulaong bak sorkar kalasim khia ban pendap no ya ke jingtrai ya ke Shillong Medical College kebadan Hom Sauli. Habakran bagi lap thai khubor Menteri ulaong bak jing pendap ban jing petrai kam ya ke Nika College kanyarap ban pensting ya ke jingduna ki doktor bat ke jingnai wat jaka pule ki sama sabar jela. Usangma ulai thoru ba ulai jurip ya ke jingtrai ya College Hom Sauli ha ka bak company ka playok kontrak ban China ya ke Nika College kala kerpat ban penkela ya ki katukan ni ki kendon ban yang sokar kenang pet ya kini kecing kerpat jong kini company uloong ru bahkan ni projek kelong pelengkam ha ya kejela namal kendai ke medical college ke banwan ra jimentoy omtang yang kenong ba Shillong hari kejela hi borok kawai ujiam uloong ru ba kejela kala pengkre yo ba ka non biang kecimpang covid ha kawat kabalai.
It's not about a new push or anything like that. My predecessors have been also equally working towards seeing to it that this project, which is very, very important and critical for our future generations, sees the light of day. And I, after having assumed my, and taken over charge as of the health department, I'm also, taking that agenda forward, and I want to prioritize it, because the health department is very, very big and vast, but I want to prioritize the some of the sectors wherein we need to put more focus on, and the medical colleges in Shillong and in Tura are high on my priority list, and I am constantly monitoring it myself so that we can get it off the ground as fast as possible. Because right now Shillong Medical College, there's still a lot of paperwork to be done, and in terms of the Tura Medical College, although the construction has started, there are many challenges that are still there. We're trying to resolve them.